Hi there, today we're unboxing a smart RGBW LED strip. So details in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. Comes in a plain brown box, details there, works with Amazon Alexa, and it should also work with the Google Assistant. Okay, some details there on the back. Input 100 to 240 volts, output is 24 volts, 1.6 amps. Wi-Fi support is 2.4 gigahertz only. iOS, Android support. Package includes power adapter, two 1 meter LED strips, and an extension cable which is 15 centimeters. Okay, nothing more on there. Let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, so the actual LED strips, small cable to connect it. Got some instructions on the actual device. Works with Smart Life, that's good to know. That's the one I'm using in my smart tech at home. And the actual power adapter. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging. Let me quickly show you them one by one. So initially you get two LED strips. Each one is waterproof. Let me just show you. One end has the pins on there, the other one doesn't, and they're both the same. You can just plug them in to connect them up. Both are waterproof and have sticky pads underneath to stick them down. Okay, build quality seems okay on them. Okay, and then you've got a power adapter. I've already told you the input and output on this from the actual box. In terms of connectivity, you've got the connection point there where the pins would go in, and the plug, which is not UK, so that's no good to me, but they also give a travel adapter with it, so you can use it in the UK. Let me quickly show you that. Comes in a pouch. Obviously you could even use this abroad if you wanted to. So it's a universal one. I press that, pops out, and I can plug it straight in. There you go, like so. And then it's usable in the UK. You've got another connector cable there, and you've got some rubber bits to actually screw it down if you wanted to, and some screws to go with it as well. So quite a comprehensive set of bits and pieces you get with it. Okay, so let's make a start at connecting this up. So I've got the travel adapter, and I can plug in one end here to actually be able to plug it in, and the other end actually has the connector that connects to the actual strips. So you've got an arrow in there, and it just literally slots straight in. We'll push that in tightly. The other end, let's use the connector it comes with. So plug that in here. So it just should be a straight inline connection there. And the other end, just push in there. And there you go. So it should all be connected. So it's as simple as just plugging this in next. And there you go. Okay, so there you have it. Both strip lights are now on, and that's the brightness level. It's quite nice and bright there. So that's pretty straightforward. And if it doesn't work initially, so let me just show. If I put it in that way, if it doesn't work one way, just flip it around, plug it in, and it'll just start working. So the same applies for both of these. So there you go. Quite straightforward to put together. Okay, so next, let me show how to get this strip light working with the smart tech in your house. So initially, I've got my Android device here. I'm going to go to the Play Store, and we're going to search for Smart Life, and that's the one you want. And if you install that, once you install it, you just open it up. Now the first thing you will have to do if you don't already use this is register an account. So my account currently has all these smart tech items in there. So for this to be configured with your app, you need to get that in a state where it's ready to be configured. So what we're going to do initially is turn the plug off 5 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now the light's actually flashing. We know it's ready and in a state it can accept a configuration. So let me go back to the Smart app, so which is Smart Life. We click on the plus, and let's pick lighting devices. And it's just asking to confirm if the light is flashing. So next thing is, as soon as we click that, it's going to ask for your Wi-Fi password. So let me do that off camera and come straight back. Just entered it in, and let's give it a moment. There you go, the blinking stopped. That means it must be picking up a configuration now. And there you go, shoots ahead. It's already added. So it's been added as smart light. So I click completed. There you go. Control it directly from your phone. Okay, so now the device is added into Smart Life. I can show you the options that you have available. So if I click off and then on, you can turn it on and off directly from here. If I go into there, brightness, you can adjust the brightness of the actual light. Color, so you can actually change the color just to show. Let's bring it up slightly, give you a clearer indication. Represents colour quite well as well, and again you can even dim it down if you wanted to. Let's turn it up. There you go. Let's go back. You've got scenes as well, so these are predefined settings. So you've got night, reading, party, leisure, soft, rainbow. Let's leave that for a moment. Okay, multicolours. Then you've got shine, and then you've got gorgeous. It just keeps randomly changing colours. It's quite nice. Okay, let's go back to just plain white for a second and click on schedule. And here you can actually predefine times for the actual device to turn on and off. So you can set it on timer. So you just pick your time, select when you want it to happen and what action you want to happen. So you want it on these days, and you can set it to turn on and off. It's very simple to configure, to set on a timer. If I go back again, click here, which is edit. You can rename the device if you wanted to. Device location, check network. Supported third-party control, so it's supported on Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT, and then you've got shared devices, so you can share with other people, create a group. So you can group multiple devices together and get them coming on at the same time if you wanted. Device information, so that's details, for example, IP address information. You've got feedback, check for firmware upgrades, and remove device. And that's all the options you have on there. So if I go back and back again, that's what you see. So you can see the picture of the strip light, and you've got the button there to turn it on and off as well. There you go, pretty straightforward. Okay, now if I drop that down, turn off my Wi-Fi, pick it back up again, let it connect, and there you go. No need to open any ports on your router as well, works straight away. It's pretty cool. And I like the actual icon you get on there as well, giving the indication there is a strip light there, which is really good. Okay, so next I'm going to show how to get this smart LED strip working with both the Amazon Alexa and the Google Home. Now I've got my Android smartphone here and the Home app is just there. Let me start that up. Okay, pretty straightforward to do on this. So what you do, you click down here, click on Settings, Assistant and Home Control, and then the plus. And then you want to look for Smart Life in the list. Once you find it, you click it and you enter in your account details. So once it's added in, it'll appear like this at the top. So let's go back, and I should be able to see it in the list. So it's actually the one called, see if I can find it, Smart Light. Once it's added, you can give it a nickname if you wanted, but we'll leave it as is. So let me close this now and unmute the mic.
The phone is back on.
Okay, so what you can say is, okay Google, turn off smart light.
All right, turning off the smart light.
Okay Google, turn on smart light.
All right, turning on the smart light.
Okay Google, change smart light color to red.
Okay, changing the smart light to red.
Okay Google, change smart light brightness to 1%.
Okay, setting the smart light brightness to 1%.
Okay Google, change smart light brightness to 100%.
Okay, setting the smart light brightness to 100%.
Okay Google, change smart light color to green.
Okay, changing the smart light to green.
Okay Google, change the smart light color to blue.
Alright, changing the smart light to blue.
Okay Google, change smart light brightness to 20%.
Sure, setting the smart light brightness to 20%.
There you go. Pretty cool and easily controllable by the Google Home Mini. Okay, so next I'm going to show how to set up this smart LED strip with the Amazon Alexa. So I've got the Amazon Alexa app here. Let's start that up. Pretty straightforward. Give it a moment. And if I click here, we want to go to skills and games. Click on there. Just the search one. And we can type in Smart Life. And then you click on there and just enable the skill. So it's enabled at the moment on my phone. So if I now go to devices, lights, I should see it in the list. There you go, Smart Light. So if I unmute it on there and turn this off, I can say, Alexa, turn off Smart Light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Smart Light.
Okay.
Alexa, change Smart Light color to red.
Okay.
Alexa, change Smart Light color to green.
Okay.
Alexa, change Smart Light brightness to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, change Smart Light color to yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, change Smart Light brightness to 1%.
Okay.
So there you go. Pretty cool bit of tech here. Works quite easily and integrates simply with both the Google Home and the Amazon Alexa. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of this smart RGBW LED strip. Simple to set up on your smartphone. You've seen it working with the Smart Life app. Doesn't rely on any ports being opened on your router to be able to remotely control it, which is great. In terms of smart functionality, it works with both the Amazon Alexa and the Google Home. Brightness levels and controllability are great, and you can schedule it to run at certain times of the day. Only negative point I have to admit is the actual cable that comes attached to the power adapter. So it's fixed and they have to provide a travel adapter to be able to use it. So it would be nice if they used a cable you could unplug. So some laptops and even cables on computers can easily be replaced. So they should have given something like that, which would have been a bit easier, I think. I don't really want a big chunky thing like that, but it's not the end of the world. It would have been easier if you could just replace it and put what you wanted on there. But other than that, nice product. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing. Got some details in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.